Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we need to change by dy over dx. Next we multiply both sides by dx. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have y squared over 2. This one we have 36x squared over 2. This one that is about the constant. 36 divided by 2 we have 18x squared. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.